Since therefore the children share in flesh and blood, he himself likewise partook of the same things, that through death he might destroy the one who has power of death, that is, the devil. Hebrews chapter 2, verse 14. Alright, so I'm not even supposed to be filming, but I am going to film this because I am taking my daughter out. We are going on a girls' date and I just want to have fun with her. She said she hadn't had that in a while, even though we do lunch dates all the time, but I guess like an official date is what she's calling it. So I've already prepped I did my brows with my Juvia's pen, and then that was it, and just fluffed it out. I did also carve out because I want to do like a high glam look. At least that's what I feel like I'm going to do. I mean, it might not turn out to be like that, but in my head, that's what I'm going for. So I'm going to take my face powder, and it is the One Size Beauty, and I am going to rock that as my backdrop, looking straight into the mirror so I can see exactly what I need to see. And I'm going to push some of that color up into where I highlighted, so it kind of tones it down some, because I don't need it to be too stark, just in case we take pictures, which I plan on taking pictures, even though I'm really bloated today for some reason. That's some bullcrap, because I wanted to look cute on that swing set. I swear my son has the heaviest feet. So the palette is what I made from the cosmetic company. I'm going to have to put the names somewhere so you can really see what they are. But one of them I already have. Go figure. So I'm going to take this matte color. It's kind of like a tannish color, and I'm going to put that underneath my highlighter color that's on my brow. Just kind of set that just a tad bit, and it also helps tone it down some. I'm going to take this deeper color right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer V of my eye. Yeah, so I got this when I was in South Carolina. I did make content with this, sorry, but I don't think I'm going to post it, only because I wasn't keen on the look too much. So, and I'm going to bring the remaining bits into the inner part of my eye, but I want all of it to match well, so you won't see where it ends, where it begins. And that comes with just blending. As long as you keep blending, you should be all right. Now you should have something that looks like that. I feel like I'm gonna end up using another color. So this is kind of pinky. And then this one looks like that. I'm gonna go with second shade. I'm just going to pat that all over the eye. Mobile lid, excuse me. So yeah, we're just gonna pat that all over the mobile lid. Just gonna take my same brush and just kind of blend out the outer corner and soften up the little empty spots that I have, so it doesn't look so harsh, because I need everything to look a little bit cohesive, just a tad bit. So I've already prepped my skin with the MAC Hyper Real Serum. Today I want to use the Yummy Skin. So I'm going to do my underpaint stuff, like my cream contour and stuff like that, and then we'll come back with the so we can finish this up. Alright, so I'm all set. I did do a wing on my eye. I did set my base and everything else. So that's basically what I did. Oh, and I also lined my eye. Because y'all seen these things before. I don't know how much I want to put in on this. Because I like what I got going on. Let's start off. We're gonna start off with I'm gonna mix these two brown colors, these two together. Let's see if I can get like some type of medium color going on. So I just want to reline the under eye just a tad bit more. Okay, so I am going to I need to figure out what kind of highlighter I'm going to have in the inner corner of my eye. Because the colors that I have, it's not going to do. Because this color is so flippin' bright. Okay, so let's take... let's take a little bit of this color from Pat McGrath right here. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush. I should wet it. Hard candy. Just put that in a corner. Oh. Oh. All right, give me a second. That is gorgeous. All right, so I am going to throw on the rest of my face and show you the finished look. All right, fam bam, this is the finished look. I mean, I am looking delicious. I'm just saying, I am looking. All right, fam bam. So yes, for the lippy, before I forget, it is actually Jeff from Makeup by Mario, the 2020 color lipstick from Juvia's Place, and the lip gloss is MAC. Oh my god, I can't see it. I'll put it up somewhere. The lashes are something that I was going to come in with, but I didn't. The blusher is actually from the crayon box. Crayon case, sorry. I really love that. I just love it. So what I did was I mixed two colors together. So I mixed in the color, this pink and this tan together. And I also have on the iconic London highlighter. I'm looking for it. That's why I'm not looking at you. what is it? The Kiss by the Sun highlighter in the color Playtime. So that is what I have on. I did do my buffing technique, I'm not gonna lie, and I also did spray my face with the setting powder. So yeah, I'm going to go on that note. I hope y'all enjoy this get ready with me. I'm going to try to put in a couple of photos of Johnny and I and the venue that we went to go eat at, because it is, and I need to go because I don't want to be there long. I just want us to have a good time. So on that note, fam bam, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye. And enjoy if it's up. Alright, so the jewelry came from, I believe it came from Shein. This dress came from Fashion Over. It'll be in a haul soon. As soon as I can get to it, I will definitely put it in there. These are Aldo shoes that I've gotten, and I'm just going to carry this Kate Spade wallet. I was going to carry the bag, but I'm not going to. So yeah, the shoes from Aldo is like pop art. I believe it came in like this color and a jean blue. But yeah, this is what I have on. I may put on a jean jacket. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy whatever else I got in store, because I don't know what I'm going to put in here. So yeah.